Happy December 24th! Woo! I just came back from my best friend's house to like give her Christmas presents because she wanted her room to be filled with presents. So I just went ahead and gave her those because they're just sitting in my closet. I'm about to go to the mall with my mother because she wants to go to the mall for some reason. And Anastasia had like a buy one get one free kind of sale for their liquid lips and like lipsticks and lip glosses. So I was like, ooh, gotta hop on that wave. I still feel awkward vlogging in like in front of my parents. So I'm just vlogging in the car. That's why this is the first time. It's funny because she woke me up and she was all like, we're gonna go to the mall. And I'm like, why? I would not be able to vlog in this car. There is nowhere to put you. But I'm currently at Walmart. There's no parking spaces, so I had to take the wheel and park far away and then go have to pick my mom up because all we had to come do is get milk. Cool thing is that this car is Bluetooth. I don't know if you can hear me because it's kind of still connected to Bluetooth. She just called me and asked me if I want almond milk. That is a true mother. I have to go home and get ready. It's gonna take me like 3 hours. And I'm gonna do my hair, get dressed, and then go to the Christmas party. It's a family Christmas party, by the way. I just got done getting ready. I just curled my hair. I pinned it back. And then my makeup. I did film it, but the lighting is really bad. So we'll see if that video goes up. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit that I've just been like searching for crazy. No, I don't know what I was trying to say. So this is my outfit. It's a little longer than I wanted it, but my shirt and the dress are both from PacSun and my booties are from Forever 21. I don't know what time we're gonna leave, but my lip combination, it's not smudge proof. I did the Fenty Beauty lipstick and then the Patrick Star Sleigh Ride lipstick. So that's what's on my lips right now as we speak. But the contacts I'm wearing, because I am wearing contacts, are the Olens Spanish Brown. I will have those, not Spanish Brown, real, it's like the Spanish real brown, I think. I'll have them linked down below for you guys, but they're really pretty. I feel like they're way more natural. I'm glad I ordered these and not like, I'm glad I ordered these and wore these instead of the gray ones because my family members are very judgmental, or they just like to tease a lot. So these won't be too bad. You can barely even like tell that there's like it's slight, and I just love it so much. So if you're scared to wear contacts, these are nice. At first I was kind of like, but after a while I kind of got used to them. So tengo esa costumbre de hacerla así con los lentes. So sin lentes le hago así y no siento nada.
¿Cuál está mejor? A ver, fíjate.
Me gusta la del piquito.
No, el piquito no. Mejor esta.
¿Por qué le pusieron luces de colores este año? Se ven mejor las blancas. Just saying.
What do you mean? What's that? You need a hot dog too? Yeah.
Can I have a bite of your hot dog?
Sure.
That's cool.
Roll me a knife.
Oh my god. It's called Brawl Stars. Get it.
Alright, look at my new shit.
Yo. Damn. High beast.
Yeah, it's my vlogmas. Say hi. Yeah, it's the last day.
Hey guys, Caesar, you're gonna be in her.
How delicious.
Can you stop? Bro, I swear, touch my phone one more time.
You saw that?
No, what'd you do?
Look.
The oil? What are you gonna do? You're gonna what?
Save room for dessert.
How many have you eaten?
7.
Less is better.
And a hot dog. What do you know?
My good friend Muhammad Ali told me if you want to get stronger, you want to get better, less is better. Eat less. Train more. Alright?
Where'd you get it? I am. You wanna say hi to my YouTube channel?
Hey guys, it's me.
I'm not even done.
It's me. Ew. I don't know what to say.
You put on both?
We're at a Christmas party. But Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve!
We'll probably sing this on Christmas or the other day.
The day after.
Yeah.
That. You gotta vlog like this. Okay. You gotta get your angles right, sis.
So majestic. Oh, great. Now my cheeks are red. Huh?
I mean, am I gonna be in your bloopers?
No, you're gonna be in the vlog.
Vlogmas.
No, she was on 2 years ago, and now she's back. Look at her glow up. Oh my god! What lashes are you wearing?
Go subscribe if you haven't. Even though I haven't.
They're by Vegas' name. No, not Vegas.
I don't have
Eyler.
a thing.
You got me with my tongue. I can't read it.
Thank you.
Ella siempre piensa en usted.
My lipstick is smudging.
Poderoso, soy cabal y sincero les digo, el habrá destino, yo me enco, pero el rico camarillo. No fui a la escuela, yo aprendí. ¿Qué hora es? Ya. Falta 9, ya Sandra. Si no van a poner otra y no.